Hi guys, hope everyone is doing good. Welcome back to my channel. Wish you all a very happy new year and stay safe and sound. Keep practicing, keep illustrating, and keep moving towards your dreams. So, here you can see I did this portrait sketch freehand on this A5 size paper, which is 200 GSM, and I wanted to try something different using this Kundan pieces which I got from design card. Now here you can find lots of other different styles of beads, threads, Kundan pieces, and more such accessory and art materials or craft materials which you can use in your designs, along with fabrics of course, based on print, pattern, season, colors, and so on. So guys, don't forget to check out the website. I will be posting the links in the description box below. You can use my code SRABANI10 to get 10% off on your total purchase. So for the base, I will be using alcohol markers, and I'm using the brand Ohuhu and this Pro markers. So guys, here I will first try to do the corners, and then I will be using colorless blender which I got along with the set. So you can actually use the colorless blender in so many different ways. You can take any plastic or stainless steel plate where you can put the color and use the blending tool, which is your colorless blender, and use that marker to pick the color. This way your intensity of the color will be lighter. So guys, I will be making a detailed tutorial on this because right now I am also trying to learn this in a more perfect manner, you can say, or I am myself trying to enhance the skill of blending markers effortlessly, like using blending tools and mixing it with pencils. So once I am confident with my approach, I will be surely making the video and the tutorial. Also, I think papers play a very important role with your mediums. So here I felt that this paper particularly was not suitable for this blending. I would rather try this next time on Bristol papers or ivory papers, which are little more smooth in nature, and this paper works well with watercolor mediums. So this is something which I learned while making this illustration. Here you can see the colors were turning little bit patchy. I mean the markers were not looking too smooth. But anyhow, I was just trying to layer the colors, and this is the final look. After that, I just stopped using the markers and thought of directly moving with the pencil colors only. So here I first started with a very sharp black pencil to mark out the features really well, and after that I started with other shades of pencils guys. Like if you have seen my other tutorials, you would be knowing that I always use polychromos or Staedtler Luna watercolor pencils for my pencil color layering. And I love to use mixed media where I mostly use mediums like watercolors or poster colors for the base or markers for the base, and over that I very commonly use pencil colors to bring out the depth over the medium. Lastly, for the hair, I'm doing a solid color using brush pens, and over it I'm using sharp pencil lines to show the texture of fine hair. And even on the garment, that is the blouse and the sari, I'm using the markers only to show the look of the sari embroidery or the brocade style here. So now comes the fun part where we will use this Kundan pieces to form the look of a Kundan jewelry piece, and we will also do the earrings. I have already thought of a pattern in my mind, like how I'm going to fit in the pieces here to form a nice look. So likewise, I'm going to place each Kundan piece very neatly over the space. So guys, if you are planning to do something like this, always make the design roughly somewhere, because once you stuck in the pieces, it will be little difficult to again remove them and make a different design, because we are using glue here. So just develop the pattern somewhere and then place each bead very carefully. So this was the best idea which I could thought of on how to use this kundan pieces, and so far I am loving the overall illustration. And you guys do let me know how you liked this piece. And here is the look I'm showing you guys, which I recorded during the day. And see how the kundan pieces is showing that beautiful shine under the bright sunlight. So guys, yes, do comment below your thoughts, and you can also write your recommendations on what other type of videos should I make. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also press the bell icon to get notified of my upcoming uploads. See you all very soon. Till then, keep illustrating. Take care. Bye bye.